Here in Goa, India, Boeing are here executing an operational demonstration of the Super Hornet for the Indian Navy's fighter program. This has been about 6 years in the making. 2 missions. One is demonstrate ski jump, use combat load in fictional battles, takeoff compatibility with Super Hornet. And the second part of the mission is to make sure that the plane is able to return to the aircraft carrier. Compatibility with a foreign-made arrest gear, demonstrating that using the Super Hornet can take off and land on an Indian aircraft carrier. Also in 2014, an Fa-18F Super Hornet showcase using buddy refueling, flyby NAS Oceania Air Show. For aircraft carriers with limited space and a small fleet, a multi-purpose general-purpose aircraft like the Fa-18 is a very suitable accessory choice in order to enable a pilot to successfully perform various air and ground missions. In order to enable a pilot to successfully perform various air and ground missions, introducing advanced digital concepts and glass cockpit. Replace the complex pointer instruments used in traditional fighter jets with cathode ray tube (CRT) screens. Adopt fly-by-wire to further improve the controllability of the aircraft. The design also focuses on the maintainability of the aircraft and reducing the need for labor. These revolutionary concepts contribute to the F-18's acclaimed multifunction and easy-to-operate characteristics, with crucial help. In terms of setting, the F-18 is a twin-engine, twin-vertical tail structure, medium wingspan and sweep angle, multi-purpose supersonic tactical fighter. So far, the U.S. military's F-18 has developed a total of 6 different derivatives. They are single-seat F-18A and 18C, and 2-seat F-18B and 18D. As for the most cutting-edge F-18F, although it is still listed in the Hornet family, but in fact it can almost be regarded as a new model that has undergone major modifications and upgrades. The military gave it the code name Super Hornet to distinguish it from the original version. It is currently the most important air superiority and ground attack aircraft of the U.S. Navy, compared with single-seat A and C types. The 2-seat B and D models are mainly achieved by changing the installation location of the avionics system and slightly reducing the fuel tank capacity about 6%. The main purpose of the B-type aircraft is for training, but compared to ordinary trainer aircraft, the 2-seat F-18 still has complete combat capabilities. As for the D-type, it is often actually used for combat missions, responsible for some tasks such as tactical air control, forward air control, or tactical reconnaissance missions, special tasks that require more labor division. The original development purpose of the F-18 was because the U.S. Navy needed a lower-priced, lightweight multi-role fighter. The latest improved F-18F is the main aircraft of the U.S. Naval Air Force for ground and air superiority missions. The importance of the F-18 to the U.S. Navy is evident. Boeing has announced that it will cease production of F-18 Super Hornet fighter jets starting in 2025, but unexpectedly received a new order from the U.S. Navy in 2024. allowing the production line to continue operating until 2027. But if there is no demand for new machine manufacturing by then, the F-18 production line will still go into history. In the future, it will gradually be replaced by the more advanced F-35C.